So good morning traders. Today is a big day since it's Friday. So on this Friday, as you can see on the screen that is being shared here, looking at US30. So on the US30, we have this good setup that I saw earlier in this morning. But yesterday, when I was taking this trade, I took it right here. In fact, I took it when the the London session was kickstarting. Then I took it all the way to the upside. And then here I didn't get out at this point because I believe that the market will go ahead and hit this liquidity zone that is here. But it didn't do that. I'm still waiting. In fact, I just took out the partials just to be safe, so that when the market goes against me, I will be saved at least with one trade. So now I'm looking at these setups traders that would be sent to the YouTube channel. To those who have been subscribing to my YouTube channel, they are very much happy to receive my services. Even those who have joined my WhatsApp group, the Signals group there, they are very much happy with my services. So without any waste of good time, let me just talk about this analysis which you see in the screen here. And now we are only 1 hour ahead, approaching our London session, because it's going to be opening on the 3 o'clock, which is the New York time. Right. So now there is this equal highs right here, the touch up and then the move up, which makes this one qualifies to be called as an equal highs. Okay. So and also this order block, the push up, then the push down. But before that push up and the push down, we had this push down, then the push up. So we had this order block like right here, and then this order block right here, it got violated by the buy to sell order block, which makes this order block to be valid one more time. And then we also have these highs here, this high here, which needs to be taken out because there some sellers reside around here, and most sellers which are here, which are still in this trade, they believe that the market will go up, will go down. So I'm sorry about that, will go down, but not knowing that the market is not selling yet. This is just a retracement. Remember the rules that I've told you on YouTube. I don't remember if I taught this thing on YouTube or not, but if you compare the move up with the move down, right, you can see, count the number of candles. We have the one, we have the two bullish candlestick, but to go down, it took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So it took 18. It is taking 18 candlesticks to go to the downside to cover this move that was taken up by the market to go up. But to cover it, it took 18 candles to go down to cover up the just two candlesticks, which makes this one not not a real move. This is just a retracement. This is how we also differentiate between the real move, between the real move and the fake move. This move is just serving as a retracement. It is there to just get in a lot of sellers in the market before buyers get in. Buyers will be the market makers, the big banks, the government, all those people who have a lot of funds in this market. So they allow the market to go down, knowing exactly that the market will not be going down, but it will be pushing to the upside just to take out the early sellers. Some people sold the market since yesterday, so the market is pretending to push down. This low right here, yes, it has an order block, but it might be taken out. The market might go underneath this low before we see the big push up, taking out this liquidity. So I'm looking forward to see the market creating liquidity at this point right here, because before the London session kickstart, the market maker will always take out the recent low or the previous low. I'm referring to this low because they see that here there are a lot of buyers who took a buy right here. Now they are in a healthy, a good profit. So they want to take the they want to take them out first. These buyers that are here. So there are so many stop losses below this low. As you see that the market bought a real very strong at this point right here. So the market makers will push the price down and then underneath this low, regardless of this order block that you see here. So this low here is very attractive to the market makers. So it draws the attentions of the market makers. So when you trade the market, you must look at it in the same way as the market maker does. Right. So as you can see that here we're waiting for some kind of a liquidity. If we don't get the liquidity, so this low will be acting as the current liquidity that needs to be taken out when the London session starts. All right. So that's what I'm looking at. But nonetheless, this trade is going to be very powerful. As you can see, I'm looking to hedge the US30 because this setup is very good, which means that here on the buy setup, I'm looking forward to take just 2 trades. All right, so with a 0.5 lot size on this US30. Right, so the first trade, it has the bigger stop loss. The second trade, it has what? A smaller stop loss. So this trade it will be triggered at the same time, but their stop losses are not the same. This one is bigger, is much bigger than the other one. Because here, if you can check, as I said to you, is that yes, we see the order block right here, but this low here it is looking very much attractive to the market makers. It attracts the eyes of the market maker, this one, because if they really want to push the market up, they have to take this low out. If they don't take out this low, they have to create some kind of liquidity at this point. So they will grab liquidity, then mitigate the order block, then push up for grabbing, in fact, to grab this liquidity that is here on the buy side, and also to mitigate that order block that you see on this side, and also check out this high right here. So this is a good trade, traders, that I'll be taking this morning. Waiting to take a sell also on this one right here. The stop loss is right above this high right here. So thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, and also subscribing to my YouTube channel. Keep on supporting that channel because there's a lot to come on that YouTube channel. So thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of your day. The video will be posted on the YouTube on my YouTube channel later on today after the New York session. Right. So thank you so much. Enjoy your day. Pips of Africa is signing out.